Hi everyone, welcome to PubSite, the easy to use website builder. This video will be an example of how to add a product or book and edit your products or books. So go into the fourth tab, Titles and Products, and you can click Add New Product here, or you can see there's a list that we already have. So if your book is already on here and you just want to edit that book, click here. But if you want to add a brand new product, click here. So this is what you will see. I'm going to go back and we're going to go off of a book that's already made. That way you can see what it will look like filled out. So we have our book here. This is actually Fazia's book and it's just used as an example. In this first tab, it's the details tab. So you'll be filling out your title and product, the price, make sure you do not use the $sign, the ISBN 13, and then you have your subject categories here. So order by is just a way to order your books. You can do this if you have a lot of different books. We do this for the FSB website sometimes, but if you only have one or two, it's really not going to be a feature you'll use that much. So let's go back to the subject categories. So for the subject categories, click Manage Subject Categories here and click OK. So you can see we can add a category. Maybe we want to add self-help, and then we can just add our SEO underneath and add category, and then you can just drag them to change the order of that category. So going back to our book, make sure your information's there. If you didn't click update product before you clicked that manage subject categories button, then you'll go into book details. So we have our author here. You will most likely be adding your book after you add your author, so you'll be able to see your name here and select that. And then there's more information you can insert with your book information. So your subtitle, a lot of times we'll insert the page count, the publication date, as well as a few other things. Next is going to be the descriptions. Here's where you're going to insert your short description for your book, as well as your long description. So the short will be up here and the long will be down here. And just make sure you're updating product after each time you fill out information, because you don't want to lose that. So click images and you'll see this is where you get to add your book jacket. In order to do that, you can click the folder on the right or add image. It's completely up to you. And we're going to find the book jacket. If you do not have your book jacket uploaded, you can simply drag it from your desktop into here or click upload and grab it from your desktop. So you'll see I just double clicked and now we have two, so I'll just delete one. And then update product. Next, SEO. This is where you're going to insert your search engine optimization. There's the page title, keywords, and description. After that, we're going to go to additional settings. We have the price, the weight, shipping and handling charges. Next will be purchase links. This is where you're going to paste in your book links. So what you'll do is log into Amazon, find your book, and make sure you grab the URL to your book. Not just to Amazon, but to your book. So you can see even in the URL, the book title is in there. And you can grab as many or as little as you want. Update your product, audio and video. If you have an audio or video embed code you would like to put into your website, this could be a YouTube video, it could be a SoundCloud podcast, anything like that. We have a separate video on how to grab that code and paste it into here, but this is one of the areas that you can paste, and this will show up at the bottom of your author page. So when you do that, just make sure you click update product. And lastly, there's other additions. So this is where you're going to see like the other books that we have, and just click update product. So once you click view site and you go to the books, you'll see there's a drop down menu with the categories, and then you'll see all of the books. So here's our short description. Let's select. Here is all the links and the bookseller buttons we added, and there's the embed code. One last thing I would like to show you for your books is how to get it onto the menu. So you're going to go back into your website and click pages and navigation, and here you will see your books are here. Sometimes they will be on the right hand side. Luckily, they're already on the left, but maybe we want to drag it up to where it's the third thing on the menu right behind the author. You're just going to simply click and drag. And it's very easy. Just make sure you save your changes after. If it happens to be over here, you'll find your book page. We have these sample tests for a one book page, so that's not it. And it's very simple and easy. View site. And then you'll see the book page is the third one down. Hopefully you found the video helpful. Please follow our YouTube videos to learn more.